to Georgie TV 4. And today we're going to be unboxing a FINGERLING Untamed Dragon.
Ooh. What does he look like?
He just got something stuck in his nose.
Is it a nose ring?
Yeah. Nose ring. I just need my let me show you what sound he makes. I think he's... And he has a glow-in-the-dark nose. This. Now, when I open this, I'll put them on this. I'll show you with another fingerling that I've got.
Oh, what's that one you've got, George?
His name is Infrared.
Show him to the camera. Does he sit on your finger?
This is called Wildfire. This is called Infrared. And I have something to show you. This one is a dragon, that's a dinosaur.
Wow.
And this one has yellow eyes, and this one has purpley red. And this one has white claws, and this one has yellow claws. And this bit is orange, and this bit is black. And he doesn't have wings, and he does. And these scales at the back are different colours. And the symbol here, and here, can you see these symbols?
Well, I can't focus, hang
It
on.
makes him get out.
Focus, got it. So what is she for, Joe? Oh no. Missed him.
Now so I'm going to show you the original one when I make it. Just put this bed covering. I only got one pillow now. Yeah. Well, put both in.
Yeah.
Next to each other. Like this. Wait a minute, I have to do the 5 bits. It's like there. And it has to be right here for a lot of space. That was the video of the FINGERLING video. If you want some more Untamed video,